Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to hide online status on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you just have to open your WhatsApp application. If you're using iPhone, what you're going to do here is you have to go to settings at the bottom right. And then here on the settings, what you're going to do is you have to scroll down and look for privacy. So tap on privacy here, and then you should see this select last seen and online. What you're going to do is tap on last seen and online to manage your visibility. So you can choose, you can see your last seen. You have options here like everyone, all WhatsApp users can see, my contacts, only your saved contacts can see, my contacts except hide from specific people, and nobody, no one can see. What you're going to do here is you have to change who can see when I'm online. Under who can see when I'm online, you can choose everyone. Anyone can see when you're online, or same as last seen, matches your last seen visibility. So to hide completely, set last seen to nobody and online status to same as last seen. And basically that's it. That's how easy it is. All you have to do is to tap on nobody under who can see my last seen, and from online status to same as last seen. Now you can exit settings, tap back or close settings. Your changes are saved automatically. And basically that's how easy it is to hide online status on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.